Alcohol hand sanitizer spray versus gel, which is better? In case you're still wondering which is best, here are 4 reasons why sanitizer sprays top gels, every time. 1. Alcohol hand sanitizer sprays dry quickly. A full 10 seconds means you've used enough product, whereas gel sanitizers can take longer to dry, and can leave your hands feeling sticky. 2. Kids tend to prefer sprays, because the gel can slide off little hands before they have time to rub it in. Less sanitizer on hands, means fewer germs being killed. Sprays distribute the sanitizer more effectively, regardless of your child's ability to thoroughly rub it in. Sanitizer sprays use less product per dose than gel sanitizers use, which means you save money in the long run. Sanitizer sprays are just more practical than gels when it comes to killing germs on surfaces, like your desk, shoes, phone, a steering wheel and keyboards. A safe option we recommend is Naturally QC, an alcohol-based spray mist hand sanitizer that can be used to conveniently apply to the hands or other surfaces and sanitize germs. This product is made from only 3 simple ingredients. It is made in the USA and meets CDC and FDA standards and guidelines. Naturally, QC is a safe, simple spray mist hand sanitizer that you will find most convenient. Place your order today. www.naturallyqc.com, and be sure to like, comment and subscribe to this channel DBAN Chronicles for more valuable videos and resources. Thank you.